How do I secure my tiny house against gale force winds? Let me show you. We're forecast to have bad weather today, so I have put my strap up. This blue strap is not for decoration, it's for holding the house steady in high winds. I've got an attachment at the top of the house and then I've mounted it to a ground screw. These ground screws are a little bit different and a more affordable option than those big chunky screws. You can put these ones in yourself, you just need a socket and a drill. I have 5 attached to the trailer and these screws are 600mm deep. Usually you don't have to pre-drill, but this spot, as you can see, was a little bit hard to get in. I got it in eventually, but not on camera. Even with all these tie downs, if you're feeling unsafe in a tiny house, I recommend you go stay with friends and family, especially for the bad storms.